Hello there, my name is Luyolo Lenga and I'm gonna show you how to play uHadi Calabash Bow. This is an uHadi Calabash Musical Bow. This is an instrument that belongs to a classification of instrument which is called stringed or chordophones. This is uHadi bow which belongs to the Xhosa people of South Africa. How to play this instrument? You basically have two fundamental tones. You have an open fundamental tone, which is, and then the second one, upper fundamental, is going to be a closed one. The rule with playing Xhosa music is that the distance between one fundamental tone to the other should be a whole tone apart. It is different with Zulu music, whereas it is a semitone apart. It is also different with Qangi music, whereas the distance between two fundamental tones is a tone and a half apart. But on this video, we're going to learn how to play a Xhosa song with uHadi Calabash Bow, as it is a Xhosa bow instrument. So with our two fundamental tones, that's how we're going to create our song. We have a low fundamental, which is open, and an upper fundamental, which is closed. So it depends then on the rhythmic pattern that you will create. Therefore, you will have your basic melody and basic harmonic structure. You see that? How to hold the instrument is very important. Let me show you how to hold it. You see, with your hand, it depends if you are left or right-handed. But yes, you will hold with the hand that you have a strength, more firm grip on. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to be holding with my left because I'm going to be using my right to tap. What I do with my hand, you do like that, like the Ola 7 sign, right? This is therefore going to the three fingers that will hold the stick. Then you are left with these two fingers that will be able to manage the string. They are both have to be on one side of the stick, not one side and the other, no, one side of the stick, like that. There you go. Then to hold your grass that we used to hit, you hold it very smoothly and easily with your fingers, as if you are holding like chopsticks, so that it becomes easy for you to just vibrate in and out, in and out, instead of using the whole wrist, which can get really tired if you have to perform for over a longer period of time. And you can just easily tune it here to bring the tone up or down. Yeah, but look at my fingers, how I'm playing. Open, stop, open, stop. Uyabona isandla esindibetha ngaso uba isitiki esindisibambe engathi ngibambe i-chopsticks ezizongitya ukutya kwamachina. uHadi Calabash Bow.